With these questions, it's always a good idea to start with a diagram. So here's our little compass. Here's northeast. In this case, the hiker's walking south 45 degrees west. So we've got a vector going down like that. This is 45 degrees here, and our vector is 600 meters long. At this point, the hiker changes direction and walks north 30 degrees west. So now they start going up like this. They walk 300 meters, and this angle in here is 30 degrees. And so our resultant vector is along here like this. Now we need to work out what this resultant vector is. This angle here is 45 degrees, so considering that these two compasses pointing north are parallel lines, here we've got alternate angles on parallel lines, so that angle in there is 45 degrees, and so this total angle here is equal to 30 plus 45, so that's 75 degrees. So to work out the length of this, we're going to have to use the cosine rule. So let's label our sides and our angles. This is side A, this is angle A, this is side B, this is angle B, this is side C, and this is angle C. Our cosine rule tells us that A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. We know angle A, we know side B and side C, so we can work out what is the length of side A. So we've got 600 squared plus 300 squared minus 2 times 600 times 300 times cos 75. Solving this on the calculator, we get 356,825. So taking the square root, we end up with A is equal to 597 meters. So A is equal to 597 meters. Now we've been asked to find the displacement. A is the distance of the hiker from their initial starting position, not the distance that they've traveled, but their distance from the initial starting position. But to make it a displacement, we also need to find the angle. So in order to work out this angle here, we're going to have to work out angle C. So in order to do that, we shall use our sine rule. So we've got that sine C on C is equal to sine A on A. And so C is equal to the inverse sine of C on A sine A, which is equal to the inverse sine of 300 over 597 times sine of 75. And solving this, we end up with 29 degrees. So the total angle from here to here is equal to the 45 degrees plus the 29 degrees, which is equal to 74 degrees. And so solving that, we end up with the displacement is equal to 597 meters, and then this is south 74 degrees west.